All right, just a real quick video. I'm in Fayetteville, Arkansas, and this is the 112 drive-in movie theater. It is officially closed, and it's starting to get torn down. They have removed all the speakers and such, but I'm gonna get a little quick video of what's left here before it is completely gone. Of course, as usual, the second I show up, someone else is here. Very much an up-and-coming area in a way. I'm sure they're going to build apartments or something in this area. So I just thought it'd be cool. I'm sure a lot of people have fond memories of these old drive-ins. And they're certainly not building any more of them. And this definitely has a cool kind of retro vibe going on with it. Looks like it only had one screen. Don't these places usually have more than one screen? I always remember them having at least 2 or 3. Time delay fountain. Interesting. Never heard of such a thing. Well, anyway, that's the old drive-in movie theater in Fayetteville, Arkansas. Probably going to be completely demolished here in a matter of weeks or maybe months. Kind of sad. It's one of these forms of entertainment that I wish was still viable. You know, there's a few places that still have these, but I think it's going to be a thing of the past in a few years. Look at that, it even has the old-timey retro vintage light thing going on. These old amber colored lights. I kind of miss this masonry lattice work that buildings used to have. It's kind of ugly and tacky, to be honest. It's a very kind of like Cold War era kind of thing, but I thought it was kind of cool. Anyway, if you ever buy a house here, you'll know that this is what it once was.